the real-life inspiration behind him might be even more disturbing. His name was Ed Gein, a quiet and isolated man from Plainfield, Wisconsin. After his mother passed away, Gein's strange behavior escalated. When authorities finally investigated his farmhouse in 1957, they discovered a true house of horrors. The things they found inside were so shocking, they became the stuff of legend, inspiring not only Leatherface, but also characters like Norman Bates from Psycho and Buffalo Bill from The Silence of the Lambs. It's a chilling reminder that sometimes the scariest monsters are real people. For more tales of true crime that inspired horror classics, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.